Vancouver, a city where the ocean breathes, the mountains listen, and the sky paints its moods in 30 shades of mist. Here, every street feels like a story waiting for rain to reveal it. Every wave carries the echo of 1,000 journeys, and every forest trail whispers, "Slow down, you're home now." Golden Ears, where mist crowns the mountains and the forest teaches your soul to breathe again, and where every trail feels like a doorway into something older than memory. This is a pilgrimage into the heart of British Columbia's wilderness.
Guys, this is the fun part in any vacation. Packing, suitcase, luggage. Yeah, I want to make sure the wheels are free in the car. Whoa! Definitely minus more than 50 baht. Volleyball. Hey guys, good morning from Vancouver again. It's a beautiful morning here. The local time is 10 o'clock. Yes, we slept a little bit extra today. So officially this is our final day of vacations, and this is where we stayed last night. It's not a hotel, it's just a homestay. So it's very close by the airport, so it was a good place, and it's a very nice neighborhood here. It's a kind of a residential area actually here. It's a little bit away from the town, and it's very quiet, so it was good. Actually, we don't know what we're going to do today, but the flight is at 12:30 tonight. That means Saturday morning, early morning. Huh? Oh, I mean, sorry, Sunday morning. I need another vacation. Yeah. So till that we got a lot of time, so we don't know what we're gonna do for the day. Probably roam around, and
I have a few places in mind.
okay. Oh, that's good. Somebody's prepared. She said she got a few places in her mind. So guys, let's hit the road.
We stayed just outside of Vancouver, in a neighborhood that felt like a quiet secret. Mornings began with soft light drifting through the trees, the kind of calm that makes you breathe a little deeper. The streets were peaceful, lined with cozy homes and the gentle hum of everyday life. Mountains in the distance, ocean air in the breeze, and that unmistakable Vancouver magic woven into every corner. It wasn't just a place to stay, it felt like a small pocket of serenity, a beautiful neighborhood that welcomed us like an old friend.
Lot of houses for sale here, and it's a really nice place. Maybe we should move here, so we'll be a little bit closer to Alaska. See, I am trying to convince her to move to Alaska. There is Wendy's, which means it's time for our late breakfast. It's 20 after 10. Guys, we just change our plan since it's 10:30. It's almost time for their lunch stop. So they said just 7 more minutes wait, so we can have a lunch. So we'll be having lunch, and we can be out from here. Since we were able to connect to Wi-Fi, we're just browsing a few options to spend time for the day. So actually there's a ton of options around Vancouver within like a 1 hour drive distance. So there's a lot of parks and stuff. So we're browsing through different. Finally we found a place that we will definitely like it. and you also will like it because it's absolutely beautiful. It's a gorgeous place. It's gonna be like in a 1-hour drive from here, so we are gonna head towards Golden Ear Park. So let's see some on the way scenes and head towards the park.
After breakfast, we kept moving through the town, a place where contrasts live side by side. Cars rushing toward their own stories. On one side, wide open farm fields stretched into the horizon, green, peaceful, untouched. On the other, tall buildings rose with quiet confidence, a reminder of how fast life can grow. It was a unique combination, nature and city, calm and movement, all flowing together in one beautiful frame. Flyovers curved above us like concrete rivers.
Oh man, that feels so good. Guys, finally we are here. It was approximately an hour drive. It feels so good to be back in the wood. Crisp air, the fresh mountain air smells and everything. It's so good. So guys, here is the entrance of Golden Ear Provincial Park. So it looks so beautiful here. I really love the forest here because it's a rainforest. You can see all those trees with the moss. I will give you a close vision of that. It's so gorgeous. A very greeny, lushy forest. It's a rainforest. I love to see the moss on the tree branches. It's so beautiful. So guys, we really can't wait to get inside the park and explore this beautiful landscape here. So guys, please stay tuned, and we're gonna have a very wonderful day here at Golden Ear Park.
As we entered the park, the world changed around us. The lush, deep forest rose on both sides, wrapping the road in shades of green we didn't even know existed. The air turned cooler, softer, almost sacred. Every tree felt alive, every leaf whispering its own quiet welcome.
There is a hiking trail here which is called Spiria Nature Hiking Trail. It's a very beautiful nature hiking trail through the woods, so it is the time to hit the trail.
We started our first hike through the beautiful Spiria Trail, a path wrapped in moss, mist, and the quiet heartbeat of the forest. The moment our feet touched the trail, the world softened, the air cooler, the light dimmer, and the silence deeper. Tall trees stood like ancient guardians on both sides, their branches weaving a green cathedral above us. Every step felt unhurried and peaceful, as if the forest itself was guiding us forward. This was the beginning of our journey. Simple, calm, and beautifully alive. It was such a peaceful and relaxing hike, the kind of trail that slows your heartbeat, softens your thoughts, and makes the whole world feel quieter. Every step felt light, every breath a little deeper, as if the forest itself was calming us from the inside out.
It's like a carpet. It's like a very spongy actually. They are very spongy actually. You can see.
As we moved deeper into the trail, we witnessed the remnants of an older world, the echoes of the axe still lingering in the wood. Fallen stumps, weathered cuts, and silent marks of a time when this forest was shaped by human hands. Then, after finishing the hike, we kept moving toward our next destination, the highlight of the entire park. With the calm of the Spirio Trail still lingering in our minds, we drove deeper into the wilderness, each turn revealing a little more of Golden Ear's magic. The journey felt like a transition from quiet forest paths to the grand, breathtaking beauty waiting ahead.
So this is our second stop at the park, and this is the most highlighted spot in the park. Any guess? Come with me, I'll show you. Guys, look at this. Their last seen was on 4th September. So we have to be extra careful.
We finally reached the lake, and it felt absolutely magical. The water lay still like a mirror, reflecting mountains, clouds, and every shade of green around us. The water was calm, the mountains stood silent, and the whole scene looked like it was painted just for us. The lake was so still, it was just like a mirror. Mountains, clouds, trees, everything reflected with perfect clarity, as if the world had paused to admire its own beauty. Alouette Lake is one of the crown jewels of Golden Ears Park, a long, glacial-fed lake surrounded by towering mountains and deep, ancient forest. The water is unbelievably clear, often so calm that it turns into a perfect mirror, reflecting clouds, peaks, and every shade of green around it. The shoreline shifts from sandy stretches to rocky edges, each corner offering a different mood, from peaceful picnic spots to wide open views that feel almost unreal. Alouette Lake isn't just a destination. It's an experience of pure British Columbia wilderness. After soaking in the magic of Alouette Lake, we kept moving toward our next stop, the Lower Falls hiking trail. The road led us deeper into the heart of Golden Ears, where the forest grew thicker, the air cooler, and the sound of rushing water slowly began to rise in the distance. It felt like the adventure was shifting again from calm reflections to the wild energy of waterfalls waiting ahead. When we reached the Lower Falls Trail, the parking lot was completely full, a sign of how loved this place is. Cars lined every corner, people flowing toward the forest, all drawn by the promise of waterfalls hidden deep inside the park.
So guys, we have to come all the way back here, and we just park alongside of the road.
With the parking lot packed and the trail buzzing with energy, we started our hike to the Lower Falls. The path pulled us back into the forest, where tall trees filtered the sunlight.
The hike to the Lower Fall is about like a 2.5 kilometer. Remember, we are in Canada, so we don't use your miles, it's all kilometer. 1 mile is 1.6 kilometer. So So round trip is about 5 kilometers, probably a couple of hours hike.
Every step felt like moving deeper into nature's heartbeat. A new rhythm, a new chapter, leading us toward the waterfall waiting at the end.
Guys, look at this huge stump.
It was a moderate hiking trail winding through a forest of massive, lush trees. The canopy above felt endless, sunlight slipping through in golden, soft patches, and every step carried the scent of moss, cedar, and deep wilderness. The trail wasn't too hard, but the beauty around us made it feel like we were walking through a living cathedral. Finally, we reached the lower falls, the sound of rushing water growing louder with every step, until the forest opened up and the waterfall appeared in front of us. Powerful, refreshing, and absolutely worth the journey. The falls were absolutely beautiful, the water crashing down with pure energy, yet so clear you could see every stone beneath it. Crystal clear water, mist in the air, and the forest glowing around it. A perfect ending to the trail.
We had a wonderful day hiking in the wilderness of British Columbia.
Yep, it was a beautiful experience and we really enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video and see you next time when we hit the trail.
From the quiet Spiria Trail to the magical reflections of Alouette Lake, and finally the refreshing power of the lower falls, Golden Ears Park gave us a day filled with peace, beauty, and pure wilderness energy. Every trail, every view, every sound of water reminded us how healing nature can be. It wasn't just a hike, it was a journey through forests, mountains, and moments that stay with you long after you leave.